But once again, Ms. Ntanzi, to come back to the original question, if Lebo's number is not on your phone book, the person who called her number, how would that caller have known about Lebo's number?
Mnumzane Ntanzi masiphinde futhi sibuyele futhi kulombuzo lo bobuzo wona eqaleni. Uma ngabe ke inombolo le kaLebo ke ayikho ke encwadini yakho yezingcingo. Lo muntu lo ubefonela uLebo ke uyaze kanjani number le ukuthi kaLebo?
Lento simple phamba kosenkantolo. Mawuthola imiss call efonela umuntu uyayifonela ubuyele kuya ngithi.
This thing is simple, my lord. If you find a missed call on the line, you'll return back the call.
Nawe nje uphamba kosenkantolo mangaringi phone yakho ngenamba ongayazi. Ma ikhoti iphuma uyathatha ifone uyayifonela lo number ufuna ukuzwa ubani lo muntu.
And also, as you are standing before the court now, if you receive a call with a number that is unknown to you, after the court adjourns, you will now call back the same number that called you.
We have earlier traversed the calls between you and your grandmother that you save as Gogo index 149 with the number 06606822412. Do you remember that?
Uyakhumbula ke sike sathi ubamba futhi ke malana ke nama calls ke phakathi ke gogogo ugogo wakho ke une number le 06606822412 sike sakhuluma ngakho lokho.
Yebo.
Yes.
We traverse calls amounting to 33 calls between the period 26 June 2020 and 11 November 2020 between your number and Gogo's number.
Futhi ke sachaza futhi abeka ukuthi ke sathola yonke ngamakhola ngaba u33 wonke mawahlangene kusukela inkathini ke u26 June ngo2020 kuzokuba u11 November ngo2020 okwamakhola ke phakathi kwakho ke naye ke ugogo.
Not phakathi kwami. Ngiyangaba ukuthi phakathi kwami.
Not between myself.
Ngoba mina ifone ngihlola na ngoJune 16 mangiboshwa.
Because the last time I had the phone was on the 16th of June.
Yes, we're saying between Gogo's number and your number.
Osithi ke ngaphakathi kwenombolo kaGogo nenombolo yakho.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa.
Yes, I can hear you.
And we are busy going through calls between you and your mother. We've indicated that they are in the order of 95 calls. From the period 20 June 2020 to 21 September 2020. The number, your mother's number is 079069666750 and your number 06090168890. We traversing the calls between your number and your mother's number.
Futhi ke sikhuluma ke ngama calls ke wangaphakathi kwenombolo yakho le evela ku 0790696750 nenombolo kama wakho ke u0609016890 wonke mawahlangena ngaba 95 sukela ngenkathi ke u20 June 2020 no 21 September 2020. Yes, I can hear you.
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, are you suggesting that a strange caller was calling your grandmother, Lebo, as well as your mother? Is that what you said?
Mnumzane Ntanzi, uchaza ukuthi ke umuntu ke ongaziwa ke uyena owafonela ugogo, waphinde wafonela ke uLebo, waphinde wafonela futhi noma wakho.
Ngiyaphinda lapha phambi kosenkantolo. Ngoba lento ngibuzwa iqonde straight. Uyazi ukuthi phone yami ayingekho kimi. Lokho angufihli phambi kosenkantolo.
I just want to repeat myself in front of the court because this thing is just clear. The phone was not with me and I'm not hiding that before the court.
Ifone yami ihamba ivuliwe, idatha no WhatsApp ne Facebook ini.
When my phone was taken, it was on, the data was active or on in WhatsApp and Facebook.
Ekhaya kunengane zobhuti no WhatsApp no Facebook ini.
And at home, I have my brother's children They also have WhatsApp, they have Facebook.
ngeke hlala umama sengamtshela ukuthi ifoni kababa omncane ivuliwe ngoba lapha kunabashana kunengane zobhuti ekhaya.
And again, they will not just not give information to my mom that their uncle's phone is active.
Umama uthatha ifoni uyayifonela ifoni yami iyaringa lona eyanswayo ukuthi ayanswa banangazi ngoba ifoni yayimabhena nomhani.
So what will happen, my mom will take the phone, call my number, and whoever answered the phone, I'm not sure whether it's Mabena or Mohale.
But Mr. Ntanzi, that would have caused an uproar. It would have caused concern on the part of your mother, your grandmother, and all the people who have called you that a strange person is answering your phone when you are in custody. Is that not so?
Mzane Ntanzi ke awucabanga ukuthi ke lokho ke bekungenza ukuthi bekungenza ke ukusolakala ke noma ke kuba concern phakathi kwama wakho nanogogo labantu abafonela ukuthi khona umuntu nje abangamazi obafonelayo.
Ngangcoba umabhelo khona phendulo lo mbuzo ukuthi yena wayefunani kumama ngaphela umama kusitanga yakhe.
It was better if Mabena was here to actually respond to that what exactly was he looking for from my mom, since my mom is not his age mate.
Sikhumbule phambi kwesenkantolo ukuthi mangibosha mina bengaziwa ukuthi nguphi.
I'd like us also to recall or to remember that when I was arrested, my whereabouts were unknown.
Ngoba mina kuba ngixhumana nomndeni wami ngangeke ngihlale lamalanga la engahlala ejele ngingagezi.
Because if I had that contact with my family, there was no way that I would sit those days without taking a bath.
Kuze kushaya 13 zika July lokungaboshwa ngo June 16 kushaya 13 ka July kathi ngiqala ukuthola into zogeza ngingagezi. Iyakhonakala
Since I was arrested on the 16th of June until the 13th of July without taking my bath, is that possible in the police force?
Has someone ever raised an alarm or complained that there's a strange voice or voices answering your phone?
Manje ke Mzane Ntanzi ke ukhona mhlawumbe umuntu ke oye wafaka icomplaint ukuthi khona umuntu nje abangamazi ke oloko abafonela.
Efaka icomplaint kubani ngeke uphi mina.
Strange complaint to where?
To the police, for instance, or to Brigadier Gininda?
Mhlambe emaphoyiseni ukuthi emaphoyiseni naku umuntu ke uyasithinta lo uyasifonela asimazi ukuthi ubani.
Or any member of the investigating team?
Noma ke ubrigadier noma ke umunye nje wabantu amaphoyisa nje phela ba complain ukubona ukuthi ke khona ke umuntu ohlezi bafonela bangamazi ukuthi ubani.
Kanti abantu befonela njengoshuzi nokuthelezi befonela bebuza ukuthi bahlala phe eMarikana bawathatha apha ama number.
So these people that they used to call Shoes and Mukwena, Shoes and Buthelezi, when they were called to ask where they are staying, where did they actually get their numbers from? What made them to leave Pretoria and proceed to Shoes' house to search it? Because Shoes and number, they found it in my phone for them to even get to Marikana where Shoes stays.
Mr. Ntanzi, the original question was, has anyone ever complained that someone else who's not you is answering your phone?
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke umbuzo ke usamile ukuthi ke ukhona ke mhlambe ke umuntu ke owaza abanesikhalazo ukuthi khona umuntu nje ungasuwena obafonelayo.
Bazosiletha kanjani isikhalazo mina ifoni yami ngingayazi nami ngingayazi ukuthi ifoni yami kubani ngimabhele noma kumhani kwamina ngangaxhumana nomndeni wami.
How will they bring a complaint if I myself didn't know where my phone is at that time? Uthoma bhena nomhani kwenzana?
Ifoni yami yayikubo. Abezokhoma ngizotshela abantu nomuntu ofonela ifoni yami.
And my banner was not, my phone was not with me, it was my banner, it was with my banner and Mohane. So how will they have come to complain?
Okunye lapha phambi kwesenkantolo ekumqoka la fela ukuvezela. Ngisephukenge nge-19. Ugininda ukhona.
Maka. On the 19th, I'm at Phukeng and Gininda is also around.
Ifoni yami khona ePhukeng.
And my phone is also at Phukeng.
Imukela ama SMS.
It receives SMSs.
Mina ngifasiwe izandla.
And I'm handcuffed.
Ugininda engavuma iphoyisa ekhulu ukuthi ngibe nefoni ngiphethe quiet phone.
You think Gininda would have allowed that I have my phone in my pocket?
ingakho nje kumile phambi kwakho ukuthi ngicela ungitshele ifoni yami mina yayenziwani lapha eyahlele khona.
That is why I am still requesting before the court that I be told where was my phone and what was it used to do.
Lapha court ngicelile ngoba naka amathawa ase allowed amathawa la King-Food yase Verere. Ngicela ngicela ungibonise ukuphuma kwami nokungena kwami kwase Verere. Awuzange ungikhombise lapha court ukuthi ngizovumelana nalamaThawa.
And now looking at these towers that you had mentioned, the Queenswood towers in Verulam, I had initially requested that you show when I was in Verulam and also out of Verulam, so that I can be able to confirm or answer to these calls that you have just placed on record.
Yes, we have started by doing that. We've referred to Exhibit EE in brackets 1, 2, and 3. The proceedings at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020, 27th November 2020, and 5th of March 2021.
Sikwenzile lokho ngoba ke siye sakulethela ke exhibit EE lokho make ngokwenzakala ngale ngathi ke uvele ke lapha enkantolo yase Boksburg ke usuku ke beku 27 October ngo2020 uphinde futhi ovela futhi ngomhla ka 27 November 2020 nangomhla ka 5 March 2021.
Ingakho ngithe kodwa ukukhuluma leqiniso mawuthi ngomhla ka 5 March mina bengila ePitoli bengise Rustenburg eRamshana.
That is why I am saying you are not telling the court the truth, because on that date, the 5th of March, I was in Pretoria at Ramshan.
Mina ejele Rustenburg ngene ngayi1 ejele la kon 2021 manje mawuthi ngayi5 mina ngangela eVerere lokho akulona iqiniso.
I was detained at the Rustenburg prison on the 1st
2021 ngoMarch.
On the 1st of March 2021.
Ngizoya court ngayi5
to appear on the 5th of the same month in court.
Mr. Ntanzi, we were quoting the proceedings which we put forward to you as to what is written on the appearances of those dates. We also referred to a letter from the Station Commissioner of Villeria requesting that you be postponed. That letter was dated 27 October 2020, that will be postponed to Villeria Police Station.
Besukubekala nje Mntanzi ukuthi ke ngokwenzakala ngale nkathi ke uzovela enkantolo saphinde futhi sakhombisa futhi ke lencwadi ke bephuma ku station commander wase Villeria ngale nkathi icela ukuthi ke icala lakho ke lihlehliswe ke elihlehlele khona lapha eVilleria.
Ingakho ngikuphendula ngathi nami phambi kwesekatolo ukhuluma lona iqiniso.
That is also why I am giving you this response, that you are not telling the court the truth.
Incwadi lokhuluma ngayo ngishilo ngathi ngiyayibona ngathi mina eVerere bengihlala ePretoria mode iVerere angazi iPretoria abanye police station ama police station ngihlala kola i4 mina lapha ePitoli 4 police station. I
did mention before the court that I was not detained in one police station. At some point I will be in Pretoria North and in Pretoria and also in Villeria, but all in all I was detained in 4 different police stations.
Mina nje ngokwami secace ngokusobala ukuthi ngoba ungafuni ukungibonisa incwadi yaseVerere ikhona lento ongafuni ngiyibone le ncwadi yaseVerere ikhona lento ongafuni ngiyibone kuyo.
It is clear to me that since you don't want to show me the document from Villeria, there's something that you are trying to hide.
Yes, if those documents, the cell register and the occurrence book come to hand, they'll be canvassed with you.
Yes, ake mnumzana uma ke sesingayithola ke ilona iregister ke lapho babhala khona ke abantu mabagcina emaselini nokuthi bathola bafike benjani ke uma singasithola lento lezo ke zokukhombisa khona ukuthi ke kuye kwabhalwa noma kwahamba njani.
Ngingakujabulela ngoba ngangitshela lapha ecourt ukuthi kwakuyi corona ngazi kwa incwadi zenzani sezoqhamuka lapha sezoqhama seyibhalwe yibo futhi.
I will be very happy if I can see those. However, I was informed before the court that it was during the corona and something happened with the books. So I'm just asking myself that where would they come from? Who would have written those books? Are they the ones who are going to be writing those, filling those books?
Now, continue with the calls. We refer you to page 34 of 200, case ID 103 1227, still part of Exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Which page 34, Mr. Balos?
Yes, page 34.
Okay, from 31 here it's 48. Oh, this one. Okay. Sesiyaqhubekela phambili futhi manje sesiya kuleli khasi le khasi 34 naye futhi sasiyena u-exhibit DD.
We see that the very first call is between your number ending 6890 on the 22nd of September 2020 at 21:32:36. It's an outgoing call and MOC to Lebo's number ending 1698 at 21:32:36, lasting 27 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Sokhuluma ngoqala ke ikhole evela la kulamaphepha wethu ke la khasi 34 ekhombisa inombolo yakho ke egcina ngo6890 mhla ka 22 September 2020 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo ke ngesikhathi ku 21:32:36 ke inombolo eNkalebu yona legcina ngo1698 yathatha ke imizwana ngaba 27 ke umbhoshongo futhi kuyi Queenswood.
Then the next call is from your number ending 6890 on 22 September 2020 at 21:33:34 seconds. It's an outgoing call and MOC lasting 64 seconds to that number that you just referred to this morning, ending with 3332, that is not on your phone book, lasting 64 seconds. The tower is Queenswood NGA.
Elandelayo ke manje nayo lenza ke mhla ka 22 September ngo2020 kuyakwaba khona ke ucingo oluphuma ke nombolini ke le yakho egcina ngo6890 iya kule nombolo leyo khuma ngayo ekseni namhlanje le u3332 engekho futhi nasenqanditi yakhe ezincingo eyathatha ke 64 seconds isikhathi ku 21:33:34 ngaphansi kombhishongo ke wase Queenswood.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ongathanda ukubeka kuloko?
Because enkantolo ngangingaphethe phone.
My lord, I did not have a phone.
And at 21:42, still on the 22nd of September 2020, your number ending 6890 on the 22nd of September 2020 at 21:42:55 receives an incoming text message, an empty SMS from Norma Zuide's number 0766725762. We have seen that Norma Zuide's name is saved under index 199.
Futhi ke uma siqhubekela phambili kodwa ngalo losuku lo 22 September ngo2020 kubonakala ukuthi ke inombolo yakho yena ugcina ngo6890 iyathola ke umlayezo ke SMS ke isikhathi ku 21:42:53 ibuya ke kunombolo kaNoma Zwide ke u0766725762 futhi nokuthi inombolo yakho kaNoma Zwide ke ikhona ke encwadini ezincane.
Then at 21:43:06 there's an outgoing call on your number 22 September 2020 at 21:43:06. It's an MOC lasting 51 seconds to the number which has been identified as Langos number index 196 082 3653315.
Futhi ke ngawo ke umhla ka 22 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 21:43:06 ke kubonakala ukuthi ke inombolo yakho yena legcina ngo 6890 kwaba khona ucingo oluphumayo liya inombolo le yatholakala ukuthi ekalango e08256533315 eyathatha ke imzuzu ngaba 51 seconds.
Then at 21:46:09 on the 22nd of September 2020, your number ending 6890 receives an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Norma Zuide's number 066725762.
Umhla ka 22 futhi September ngo2020 inombolo yakho ke yona legcina ngo 6890 ithola ke umlayezo ke ungenayo ke ukeke inombolo ka Norma Zuide yathatha ke ama second ke 0 seconds.
Then there is an outgoing call from your number 6890 on 22nd September 2020 at 21:47:09. It's an MOC lasting 50 seconds to Lagos number ending 1698 and is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Saka 22 September 2020 khona ke ucingo lwaphuma ke nombolweni yakho yona legcina ngo 6890 iya ke cingweni kaLebo ugcina ngo 1698 nayo eyathatha ke 50 seconds futhi ke umbhosho ngokwiQueenswood.
Then your number ending 6890 on 22nd September 2020 at 21:52:09 seconds received an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from a number 07699805110.
Futhi ke ngawo mhla ka 22 September isikhathi ke u21:52:09 khombisa ukuthi inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo 6890 yathola ke umlayezo ongenayo obuya ke kunombolo le ethi 0769980510 yangathatha 0 seconds.
We just wish to refer you to your phone book, Annexure 3, its contact number 249.
Sithanda ukuthi ke manje sokuyisa ke incwadi lakho ezingcingo ugcine ke umuntu akho ugcine ku number 249 le.
Can you just place that contact on record? Contact 249 is the second last contact. It appears to be CPHE dot Spesihle, and the number is 076-998-0510. You see that?
Uyakubona ke lokhu ke nakho kuyavela la kulo contact ke u249 kunenombolo ke legciniwe ke ibhale uSiphe Sihle uSiphe uCPHE kube no dot kube no Sihle. Inombolo yakhona ke ivela ke ngu 076-998-0510. Uyakubona lokho?
Yebo ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see that.
Who's Spesihle?
Ubani ke uSiphe?
Ingane yangakithi esigodini sangakithi.
It's a child that comes from the very same village as my own.
What is the relationship between the two of you?
Manje ubudlelwane benu nobabili ke yini?
Ngiyamazi njengomuntu esikhule ndawonye.
I know the person as somebody that we grew up together.
So she's also from Kohlokolo.
Naye ke uSiphe lo ubuya le kohlokolo.
Yena ubuya esikoleni kohlolo nangibuya esikhwebezi.
Ngicela uphinde.
Yena ubuya esikoleni kohlolo nangibuya ngapha esikhwebezi.
Ubuya esikoleni.
Angithi yena esikoleni kohlolo indawo yangakubo nami ngindawo yangakithi but ngale esikhwebezi.
She's from esikoleni ohlokolo and I'm on the other side esikhwebezi but still at ohlokweni.
There are several calls between your number and Spesihle's number saved as index 249. We see that at 09:34:51 on the 23rd of September 2020, your number 6890 at 09:34:51 received an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 517 seconds from Spesihle's number 076-998-0510.
Siyabona futhi ke umhla ka 23 September inombolo yakho ile gcina ngo uyathola ke ucingo olungenayo isikhathi ku 09:34:51 libuya kuyena kunombolo le ekasiphe ebhalwe 076-998-0310 yathatha ke 517 seconds.
And again on the 23rd of September 2020 at 20:40:07 seconds, your number ending 6890 received an incoming call, an MTC, from Spesihle's number 076-998-0510. It's an MTC lasting 1,116 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke ngawumhla ka 23 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 20:40 07 nombolo yakho ke igcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo olungenayo ke liphuma inombolo kaSiphe ke 076-998-0510 eyathatha ke isikhathi esingaba 1,116 second ngaphansi kombhosho ngofuthi ke weQueensuit.
Then still on the 23rd of September 2020 at 2100 hours 53 seconds, your number 16890 on the 23rd of September 2020 at 21:00:53 received an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Spesihle's number
futhi ke
076 998 0510, the Tower 3G Queensuit NGA,
ngomhla ka-
lasted 0 seconds.
ngomhla ka 23 September isikhathi ke ku 21:00:53 kubonakala inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo 16890 yathola ke umlayezo ongenayo ubuya ke enombolweni kaSipesihle ke ewu 076 998 0510 eyathatha 0 second ke yona leyo ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke wase Queenwood.
Do you have any comment regarding the contact between your number and Spesihle's number ending 0510?
Kukhona mhlambe kofuna ukusho ke ngoxhumano ke phakathi kwenombolo yakho nenombolo le kaSipesihle ke yena legcina ngo 0510.
mina ngoba bengishela phambi ukuthi kodwa ngangena phone ejele
My lord, I did mention before the court that I did not have a phone when I was in prison.
Then just going back to the call after that initial incoming text message from Spesihle's number ending 0510 at 21:52:09. The next day, on the 23rd of September 2020 at 06:55:30, your number 6890 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 460 seconds from Lagos number ending 1698, the Towers 3G Queenwood.
Futhi ke mhla ka mesesiqhubekela phambili ke emva kale mlayezo ke lo wangena kuya kule number le kaSipesihle igcina ngo 0510 seke usuku olulandelayo ke mhla ka 23 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 065530 inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo 6890 yathola ke icingo olungenayo olubuya ke inombolo likaLebu legcina ngo 1698 yathatha ke 460 second ke phansi kombhoshongo uQueenwood.
Then 8. Are you with us, Mr. Ntanzi?
I was asking the call that you just mentioned now, where does it appear?
It's 23 September. It's the first call on the 23rd of September 2020 at 06:55:30 is an incoming call.
No. Okay, I can see that.
It's just below Spesihle's text message. Then about 8 minutes later, still on the 23rd of September 2020, your number ending 6890 receives an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 173 seconds from Lagos number ending 1698. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi masiqhubekela phambili ke emva kwemizuzwana ngaba u8 ke siyabona futhi ngalona losuku lolo ke inombolo yakho yona legcina ngo 6890 ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke olubuya ke inombolo likaLebu egcina ngo 1698 elathatha ke imizwana ngaba 173 seconds ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi ke wase Queenwood.
Then still on the 23rd of September 2020 at 07:23:50, your number ending 6890 received an incoming call, an MTC from labels number ending 1698 that lasted 157 seconds. The tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
Mhla 23 September isikhathi ke ku 07:23:50 inombolo yakho futhi nayo iyaveza la egcina ngo 6890 ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo liphuma ke ecingweni kale number egcina ngo 1698 elathatha ke isikhathi singaba 157 second ngaphansi kwa umbhosho ngofuthi wase Queensuit.
We've already referred to the incoming call from Specialist number at (09:34:51). The next call is (09:58:27). It's an incoming call, an MTC from labels number 1698 to your number ending 6890. Lasting 46 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke siyaqhubeka manje ke ngokholi ke ephuma kulebo leyenzeka ikhathi 09:58:27 inombolo yakhe egcina ngo 6890 kuya kuzwa inombolo lakho egcina ngo 1698 lethathe ke ngaba 46 seconds phansi kombhoshongo ke Queensuit.
Then there was another call from labels number 1698 to your number 6890, still on the 23rd of September 2020 at 10:59:06. It's an MTC lasting 369 seconds. Tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
Ngalo futhi lo suku lolu 23 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 10:59:06 ke inombolo ke le ekalebo legcina ngo 1698 ke kwaba khona ucingo oluphumayo inomborweni yakho legcina ke ngo 16890 lethathe ke emzulu ngaba 369 phansi kombhoshongo ke Queensuit.
Then still on the 23rd of September 2020 at 12:27:12, there's another incoming call from labels number 1698 and MTC to your number 6890 that lasted 41 seconds. The tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
23 September 2020 futhi ke isikhathi ke manje ku 12:27:12 kukhona kucingo oluphumayo ke suka ke inombolweni kalebo legcina ngo 1698 ke lize nombolweni yakho legcina ngo 6890 elathatha ke 41 second ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi ke wase Queensuit.
Followed by another incoming call from labels number ending 1698. It's an MTC lasting 48 seconds. Still on the 23rd of September 2020 at 15:59:09 to your number ending 6890.
Futhi ke ngalo suku lo 23 September ngo 2020 kodwa ikhathi manje ku 15:59:09 inombolo futhi le kalebo ikhombisa ucingo lela uphuma ke kunombolo yakhe egcina ngo 1698 ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo 6890 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi Queensuit.
Then still on the 23rd of September 2020 at 20:40:07, there's that incoming call from Sipesihle's number that we've already referred to. Then at 21:00:53, there's an incoming text message from Sipesihle's number that we've referred to. Then on 23 September 2020 at 22:02, 30 seconds, there's an incoming call, an MTC from labels number ending 16980 to your number ending labels number ending 1698 to your number ending 6890. It's an MTC lasting 1,020 seconds. The tower is still Queensuit 3G Queensuit NGA.
Sesikhulumile ke ngale ucingo lolu ke lelo bephuma kuyena uSipho Sihle. I mean umlayezo uphuma kuSipho Sihle lo wangena ngo210053 lenda inombolini yakho kodwa futhi mhlamba ka23 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku220230 kwaba khona ucingo ke liphuma ke phone kaLebo ke legcina ngo1698 iza ecingweni lakho legcina ngo6890 eyathatha ke imzuzu ngaba yi1020 second ngaphansi kombhosho ngofuthi weQueensuit.
Then at 004535 on the 24th of September 2020, there's an incoming text message, an empty SMS from that number that you say is not in your contact list, ending 3332 to your number 6890. It's an incoming text message, empty SMS, and the tower is still 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke ngalosuku lolu mhla ka23 ngoSeptember ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku004535 mhla ka24 September 2020 ke kube kwaba khona umlayezo ke uye wangena ke uma kule nombolo lo uyachaza nawe ukuthi ke ayikho ke nombolini ke le ke iphone book yakho ewu3332 iza ke ifoni yakho egcina ngo6890 ngaphansi kombhosho ngofuthi nawe weQueensuit.
Then we proceed to the next page, is page 35 of 200, case ID 1031227. Still on exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Siqhubekela phambili ke manje sesiyake manje ekhasini nge 35 nayo le engaphansi ka exhibit DD.
On the 24th of September 2020 at 11:27:22, labels number ending 16980 calls your number 6890 on 24 September 2020 at 11:27:22. The call goes to voicemail. Is a call forward lasting 3 seconds. The tower is undefined.
Ngomhla ka24 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku11:27:22 inombolo ke le kaLebo igcina ngo169980 ikhipha ucingo ophumayo ke izinombolo yakho ke igcina ngo6890 ela ku voicemail thatha ke 3 seconds ke umbhoshongo ke awuchazwanga.
Then still on the 24th of September 2020 at 11:27:37, it's 15 seconds later, labels number ending 1698 calls your number ending 6890. The call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward lasting 2 seconds. The tower is undefined.
Ngalo lona losuku lolo futhi ke isikhathi ke ku11:27:37 inombolo le kaLebo egcina ke ngo1698 ke iyafona inombolo le yakho egcina ngo6890 noma ke yangena ku voicemail eyathatha ke 2 seconds kuphela umbhoshongo ke awuchazwanga.
Then still on the 24th of September 2020 at 11:29:10, it's about 2 minutes later, labels number ending 1698 calls your number ending 6890 at 11:29:10. The call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward lasting 1 second. The tower is undefined.
ngazo futhi ke i24 zika September isikhathi ku 11:29:10 inombolo ke leya kaLebo egcina ngo 1698 ke ifonele ke inombolo le yakho egcina ke ngo 6890 kodwa ke ikhola khona engena ku voicemail isikhathi beku 11:29:10 eyathatha ke nje phela umzuzwana nje owodwa umbhoshongo nawo awuchazwana.
And less than 5 minutes later on the same day at 11:34:52, Lebo's number ending 1698 calls your number ending 6890 at 11:34:52 seconds. The call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward.
Ngalolo losuku lolo futhi mhla ka 24 September lo isikhathi ke ku 11:34:52 bonakala ukuthi inombolo ke le kaLebo ke egcina ke ngaye ke u 1698 ke iyafonela ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo 6890 noma kwaba i voicemail ke.
Then still on the 24th September at 11:41:23, Lebo's number ending 1698 calls your number ending 6890. The call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward lasting 1 second. The tower is undefined.
24 September 2020 isikhathi ke 11:41:23 inombolo ke le kaLebo egcina ke ngo 1698 ke bonakala ke iyafonela ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo 6890 noma ke ya ku voicemail iyathatha ke 1 second kodwa ke umbhoshongo futhi nawo awuchazwanga.
Still on the 24th of September 2020 at 11:42:34, just less than a minute later, Lebo's number 1698 calls your number ending 6890 at 11:42:34, lasting 1 second. The call goes to voicemail. It's a call forward.
Ngalolo nalosuku lolu futhi ke 24 September 2020 isikhathi ke ku 11:42:34 inombolo ke yaLebo ke legcina ngo 1698 ke yenza ucingo oluphumayo lokho inombolo legcina ngo 6890 noma kwaba i voicemail ethatha phela 1 second.
Then still on the 24th of September 2020, your number ending 6890 on 24 September 2020 at 12:58:48 receives an incoming call and an MTC lasting 227 seconds from Lebo's number ending 1698. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
24 September 2020 ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo 6810 isikhathi ke ngo 12:58:48 ke thola ke i-call engenayo ebuya ke inombolo kaLebo ke legcina ke ngaye ke 1698 eyathatha ke 227 seconds.
Yes.
227 seconds.
Still on the 24th of September 2020 at 12:59 and 28 seconds, just under less than a minute from the previous incoming call, there is an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Lebo's number ending 1698 to your number ending 6890. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
24 September 2020 isikhathi futhi ku 12:59:28 ke inombolo yakho legcina ke ngo 6898 thola ke umlayezo obuya ke enombolweni kaLebo igcina ngo 1698 noma yaba about 0 second ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke iQueenswood.
Then less than a second later, still on the 24th of September 2020, your number ending 6890 at 12:59:30 receives an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from labels number ending 1698, the Towers 3G Queenswood.
24 September 2020 isikhathi ke ku 12:59:30 ke inombolo yakho egcina ngo 6890 ithola ke umlayezo ke uphuma enombolweni ke ekanlebu legcina ngo 1698 yaba ke u0 second ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi ke iQueenswood.
Then, still on the 24th of September 2020, your number ending 6890 at 13:23:51 receives an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Specialist number 076-998-0510.
Mhla 24 September 2020 ke isikhathi ku 13:23:51 inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo 6890 ithola ke umlayezo ophuma ke enombolweni kaSiphesihle ke evela ku 0769980518 yathatha ke 0 second.
Do you have any comment to proffer so far, Mr. Ntanzi?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho njani Ntanzi kuloko sesi.
mina ngisambile egameni lathi ngaphethe phone.
My Lord, I still stand on what I said before that I did not have the phone.
Malo, can we take the shoulder adjournment at this stage?
Cut to the gel.
All right.